Hello everyone, welcome to my virtual classroom. Dzisiaj rozpoczynamy lekcję pytaniem. Ja lubię pytania. This one's for you. Jak po angielsku zapytać? Jak powiedzieć te pytanie? Jak zadać te pytanie po angielsku? And what I want you to do now is think about it and type your answer into the comment. Comment on my video. It's going to really help the video boost the algorithm. It's going to help me. I'm helping you. Help me back. Support the video. Did you say how to say kocham cię in English? How to say kocham cię in English? I know most Polish people would say this because I've heard this a million times. But this is wrong. Why? Why is how to say wrong? And that's because how to say is not a question. To sformułowanie istnieje, like of course we use it a lot, but it's not a question. So you cannot ask how to say kocham cię in English. How to is a statement. How to jest twierdzeniem. Let me show you an example. I have a book called How to Win Friends and Influence People. Czyli to jest jak powiedzieć zamiast jak powiedzieć. You see the difference? One is teaching. This book will teach me how to win friends. Not how to win friends. So this is not a question. This is a statement. Widzicie znak zapytania? No, this is a statement. So we can only use how to as a statement. For example, a title of a book, a title of a YouTube video, a title of an article, or something like, today I will teach you how to speak in English. Or we can have a book called How to Make a Million Zloty, an article called How to Lose Weight. These are all statements because we're about to teach you how to do something. But if you want to ask a question, we have to say, how do you, for example, how do you say kocham cię in English? How do you get to the train station from here? How do you make pizza? How do you cook rice? These are all questions. How do, not how to. How do, question. How to, statement. It's a clear difference. And stop saying how to say as a question because it is not a question. Różnica wychodzi z tego, że po polsku nigdy nie zmieniamy jakby strukturę pytania. So it's like, gdzie jest toaleta? I nie wiem, gdzie jest toaleta. The second one is not a question, ale gdzie jest toaleta się nie zmieniło. Słówka się nie zmieniły. Po angielsku by się zmieniły, bo jeden jest pytaniem, drugi nie jest. Where's the toilet? I don't know where the toilet is. See how it changed? In English, it changes. In Polish, it doesn't. But remember this. Easy, simple. Like the video, comment what you want to see next, subscribe for more English teaching on the whiteboard. Have a good one.